Hi there guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download a free SSL certificate for your website. Stick around till the end. So, as you can see right here on the top left corner, even though in the previous video I've showed you that you can have a plugin to set up SSL, it really didn't. So let's go to our cPanel, right here, under the SSL/TLS. Click on Generate or View. For the installed managed SSL, click on our domain name, so this one, and as you can see right here, we're gonna have nothing, so our SSL certificate is invalid. I'm going to show you how to generate a free one, so far along. In the Zerossl, click on New Certificate, make sure that you have an account. Enter your domain name, make sure that you enter the right domain name. Right here, as you can see, click on Next Step. Choose 90-day certificate, click next step, auto generate, click on next step, choose free, next step again. And once you've been greeted with this page, you're going to simply be looking for the following. Right here, as you can see, choose something that you're willing to look for. So for example, email verification can be done if you are sure that you have a valid email account. So for example, email accounts right here, and you have a valid email account as in admin, for example. If we don't, you can create it by clicking create, going ahead, clicking your domain name, the username, for example, admin, the password, we can just generate it, then generate again. Click on create after you're done, and your account should be successfully created. To access it, all you will have to do is search the right one, click check email, and then you will be greeted with this page. So let's send our verification, this email verification. Let's click on next, and let's click on verify domain. So right here, as I said, the email verification has been sent, and it will be sent to the admin page. Right here, we can open using Roundcube. Will be basically easy to follow. Sorry if it doesn't open, just retry, and it should open after a couple of minutes of you creating the account. Here it is, the client configuration is right here, and we've successfully configured everything. Now let's go back to our SSL. Let's click refresh status. Let's click resend email if we haven't received anything, and let's refresh right here. If we haven't received anything, that means the domain name or something is not correct. So double check that the domain name is actually correct. As you can see, here's the domain name and it's actually correct. The also email is also correct. So let's refresh again and I'll be right back. As I said, make sure to choose the right email. Click next step, click verify domain, and you should receive the email within like 30 seconds. So let's close this. Let's close this, sorry. And here, let's refresh and we should receive the email. Here it is, our email. Double click it. Click on verification page, copy this code, and you can close this. So copy this one, close this page, paste it right here, click next, and then click on click refresh status. So it's going to send us another one for basically, okay, let's close this window, sorry. Let's go back to our mail, refresh our status, and we should actually be verified and good to go. Now, let's click on refresh status again. So after your verification have went successfully, click on install certificate, click on download the zip file, and then make sure to open the zip file. You can extract the zip file. I'm just going to click extract here. I'm going to click yes to all. And then here you can view that I have those following files, which has containing name. Click on next, click back to your SSL. In the SRT, make sure to enter the SRT, so which is certificate. Double click it, copy the continent, paste it. Go ahead to the bundle, copy the bundle as well, paste it. It's the last down right here. And finally, for the private key, make sure to copy the private key. After you've done, click on install and click on OK. Now you can go back to your SSL plugin or whatever it is managing, and you will be go ahead. As I said, for example, I have the really SSL. I can find it right here under the settings. Now I could actually click on, I can actually click on activate. And as you can see, check manually. And it will have an SSL certificate installed. If my plugin doesn't work correctly, I'll go back to here. I'll click on reset. I can either download it and re-download it. So it's saying that my certification is actually available. So let's go ahead and re-download. Go ahead, installed. So as you can see right here already, the website has been actually successfully verified and it has a SSL certificate. That's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and goodbye.